Video. I just discovered how to make a 90-second poached egg in the microwave.
Are you playing this on your YouTube?
There's not supposed to be that commentary in the background. This is supposed to be a professional video.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. So, there's not supposed to be all of this background stimulation. Anyway, I have a cup of water, filtered water. To that, I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar, white vinegar.
Thank you.
Figure one or two tablespoons. Okay.
Very cute.
To that, I'm going to crack raw egg. Okay. You want to make sure that the yolk is popped. Otherwise, it's going to pop in the microwave. So put a couple of holes in there. Okay. Now we're going to take this, put it into the microwave. We're going to do it for, let's start with 75 seconds. Let's start with 1 minute and 15 seconds. Okay? And now you can see in there, it's going to start coagulating pretty soon.
Oh, that's burnt. June, it's going to be a little bit burnt. Just a little bit. Okay, take off the burnt pieces though.
See, it's starting to get white, starting to coagulate, starting to cook. Maybe it's easier to see from here. It's really cool, actually. It forms like a little pillow underneath the yolk. How cool is that? Get out of my video.
Oh, that's so cool.
Isn't that cool? Oh, it just popped. 14 seconds. I probably didn't put a big enough hole in the yolk. But it should still be okay. Oh, that wasn't good. Alright. So maybe I should have popped the popped the yolk a little bit better.
And maybe you should put that over it.
Maybe I should have put the lid over it. But, alright, so when we try this again, we will make sure that we pop the yolk a little bit better. Okay.